Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka Pynbna ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Ngut ki beriu kilayam nakada ko Jingtwa Khyndew ha Kamrup district jong ka Assam. Kisan ngut ki barayap ki kentup ya ka kemi ka Punam Goswami bar ka kun kenthei jong ka Badangrin. Kani kala ja ha ka janmit sngi tho ding ha ka thain bonda. Ka Assam State Disaster Management Authority kala pentip bagian Tylli district ki ba shakta e nakada ko Jingshlei kata ka Kamrup Metro bar ka Kacha district. Ki beriu ki ba shakta nakani ka Jingshlei kidan Shipau Hajar Shispa San Phongun. Ki wei par ki district ki ba shakta malumala ki kentup ya ka Dhemaji ka Lakhimpur bar ka Golaghan. Ka Assam kala Pynbna lupai ki Khyndew yaram khnang ba Marsin yo Jingtim baja AA kin yo ban lek no wood klam da Islam. Umudiramba ka Assam himanta biswa sarma la Pynbna menta ka sngi batla shai ka sngi kum ka abnormal situation batla Pinjari ru da ka red alert hagi Khatpratli ki district namar ba ka Jingthea jong ulap ba kadang ya biteng. Ula Pynbna ba ki nong tre sarkar kin yo shuti kum ka special leave ki school ba ki college ki deban khang kat ba ki dukan bat ki wei pa ki jaga trekam ki deban phikir bha.
We have declared tomorrow a special casual leave for the government employee. However, those who are whose office and quarters are same, they will attend the offices. But those who has to come from little distance, tomorrow they may not come. That will be counted as a special casual leave. This is for Kamrup and Kamrup Metro, not for entire Assam. This is only for Kamrup and Kamrup Metro district. Private school normally remain closed on Saturday, but we have advised that all government schools will remain closed tomorrow. Colleges, universities will also remain closed tomorrow, so that people do not have to suffer. We have also instructed our city police to regulate traffic inside the city because tomorrow will not be a normal day. So we have advised police to regulate the traffic. Whatever can be sent to Upper Assam via Baihata Sarile School, they should be pushed through that so that there is less pressure in Guwahati city. So there is also report of 3 landslide incident. However, there is no casualty. We advise people to take extreme caution.